Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to add an assignment to your Google Classroom by adding a Google Doc. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and go to your classwork page. Once you're to your classwork page, you're going to want to click Create, go to Assignment. There's lots of other things you can do, but we're going to go with an assignment. The title of my assignment today is going to be State Questions. Instructions I have are going to be to please answer the 5 questions about the states using your atlas. Then turn in the assignment. So I want to come over here and add from my Google Drive. It's already typed up right here, the question, so I'm just going to click on it. There you can see it's been added right here. Now because I want each student to be able to type in their answer and then turn it in to me, instead of just viewing it or editing it, I want to make a copy for each student so they can each do it on their own and turn it in. Over here we have lots of choices as to how we want to assign it. I can assign it to the whole class, or I could do select students if I would like to. How many points? I'm going to make this a 5-point assignment since there are 5 questions. 5. Due date. I am going to put this to be due next Thursday, a week from today. Optional time. 11:59 we'll put in. My topic, I'm going to go ahead and do states questions for my topic, and then I can either assign it right now or I can schedule it for later, maybe to assign in a day or two, or I can save it as a draft and continue to work on it if I want to do other things. I'm going to go ahead and assign it right now. So working on assigning here, and if I come back to my classwork, I can see it here, and then if I go back to my stream, I can see that it's also been posted right there on the stream. Thank you.